Okay, how do you multiply? How do you multiply a mixed number with a fraction? How do you multiply a mixed number with a fraction? So, on previously, I've showed you how to multiply a whole number with a fraction, and that is to change the whole number. So for example, if we're multiplying 6 times 2/5, change the whole number to an improper fraction and then multiply 5, right? And it's basically the same with mixed numbers. So if you have mixed numbers, say 3 and 1/2 times 4/5, for example, change the mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, how do you change the mixed number to improper fraction? Remember, you multiply the whole number with the denominator, and then you add the numerator. Okay, so in this case, that would be 3 times 2, which is 3 times 2, which is 6, and then plus 1. And the denominator stays the same. The denominator is still 2 times 4/5. So now this is going to be 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7/2 times 4/5. Okay, so we've changed the mixed number to an improper fraction. And now you can just simply multiply. Here we can cancel the 2 and the 4. You can divide them both by 2. So now this becomes 1, 4 becomes 2. So we have 7 times 2, which is 14. 1 times 5, which is 5. So we have an improper fraction as our answer. And of course, we can change this to a mixed number. 5 goes in 2 times. Remainder is 4, so the fraction is 4/5. So now that equals 2 and 4/5. Okay, so let's try one more example. Let's say I have 2 and 3/4 times 8/11. All right. So to multiply these two again, we need to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. What does this equal? So we need to multiply 2 times 4, which is 8, and then add 3. So the numerator is going to be 11. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. The denominator will stay the same. The denominator will be 4. Okay, so we've changed the mixed number to improper fraction. Then times 8/11. Now we can cancel a lot of things here. The 11 will cancel with the 11. We can divide both sides by 11. So they both become 1. The 4 and the 8 will cancel. The 4 will become 1. You can divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, so the 4 becomes 1. The 8 becomes 2. And then now you can just simply multiply. 1 times 2 gives you 2 in the numerator. 1 times 1 gives you 1 in the denominator. And 2/1 is the same as 2. Okay, so that's how you multiply mixed numbers with fractions.